fun stuff this morning. Several clues are going to be displayed on the screen that are associated with a particular artist's song titles. This is the Smile edition of Sing-Onyms. I feel like that did up. Dun, 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 dun. Sing-Onyms.
Sing-Onyms.
All right then. I could try it. Good energy.
Good energy. I don't need a good energy.
This is Burner. A burner?
Good energy. Could this be affection?
Could this be love?
A lot to express.
What we're looking for here, the artist?
Davido.
Bob Marley.
No, there's too many. This is different now. Oh, no, oh.
So let's see the first slide again.
So what you gave me before is a synonym for
Titles.
the titles.
Yeah.
Just got it. Right? Okay. Okay. Moving forward.
It was
Shaggy.
me, yeah, for sure.
Shaggy. Now that I understand it. Tanya Stevens.
Unrevealed Tales. That's something about lies. Fate.
Bojo.
Destiny, yeah. Mm-hmm. My origins. Something about beginnings. Or the start, the beginning, in the beginning. Excellent and outstanding. Divine intent. God's way. God's
Kevin Downswell.
intention.
Jermaine Edwards.
Divine intent.
Apparently not. My origins.
Oh, copy that.
Yeah. Cool. Okay.
How deep is your love?
Sean Paul. Yeah.
We're doing bad. Stress decline. Bring me back. Take me home.
Chensia.
Okay. Country Road.
Ooh.
This one.
Chronics.
Toots.
Protege.
Oh,
Toots and the Metals. Yes, Country Road.
Take me home.
Yeah, wow, these artists are all over the place.
Who am I? Beanie.
Him same one.
Sugar.
Girls them sugar. The girls them sugar.
Hey, Moses. Okay. Let's drink to the hardworking people.
Coffee.
Oh, lockdown. Yes. Oh, me reach. Oh, me reach. Simone.
Coffee.
Money on my mind. What?
Conscience.
Cartel.
Who? Cartel? Okay.
Yeah, I like Kobe. Yeah, come in Kobe. Kobe's areas of expertise. Berries. No disturb sign.
Just celebrated it.
What? It's not berries?
Not berries.
Choices.
Grooving pleasantly. Preferences. Approaching disturbance. Dennis Brown.
Tanya?
Chronics.
Okay, approaching disturbance. Very not bad. Rastafari, Rasta love. Tainted with. Protege, says Clive. Okay.
Like royalty.
Who knows?
Pair of predicaments, raising opposition.
Conics this. No? Did we say conics already? Pair of predicaments.
Jesse Raya. Me just call name you now, come in now.
Pair of predicaments. Double trouble. That's berries then. Yeah, putting up a resistance. Yeah. God.
Time will come. That day will come. Oh, a cable time?
No. Yeah.
That day will come. Fireman. Hey.
Jaji City, Jaji Town, the Magaton, it didn't.
Fireman.
We're doing bad.
We didn't do badly once we got the
Hang of it. Yeah.
Yeah. That's some fun stuff for this morning. We had some fun. We're gonna wrap things up after the
After the
break.
roto.